What's up, YouTube? Rain Man is back. Now, I haven't posted on this channel in a while, but that's about to change. So what the schedule is, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to post on this channel every Wednesday, and I'm trying to post on the Grand 7 Auto Works channel every Sunday. I got a lot of content to get out to you guys. So please, I'm trying. I'm gonna try to get it done. I'm still working, as you see. The video for this one is going to be Sunday on the Grand 7 Auto Works channel. So anyway, that's not what this is about. What this video is about, I'm getting ready to head over to my man Alex's shop. I'm gonna give him a hand. We are going to paint his 2000 Chevy 1500 pickup. We are going to paint it let me try to explain this to y'all now. It's going to be a metallic, it's going to be like a candy metallic cobalt blue, but it's more like a base coat. But I'm telling you guys, I'm about to bring you guys some stuff. So this is like a candy base coat, but it's going to be sprayed over a metallic silver just like you would regular candy, but I'm doing it in base coat form in order for it to last longer, because this is a daily driver. So anybody who's ever had a candy paint job knows that, especially if it's left out in the sun long periods of time, candy has a tendency to fade. So this is a daily driver, not a garage queen, something he's going to drive every day. So we're going with like a candy base coat. It's going to be metallic cobalt blue over a metallic silver, because I wanted to lighten up. I just wanted you, listen, trust me, this is going to be sexy. All right. So that's all I got to say. I just got to show it to you guys. But I'm telling you that because some of you guys are going to be leaving comments. You got to walk the car. Not with this. This is a base coat. Watch. Just watch. Trust me, people. All right. Let's get to the video.
Now tuned into the greatest.
All right, YouTube, about to do another one.